Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best floating shelves is probably one of the most versatile and stylish additions you can make to any room, offering a clean, modern look that maximizes your space without the visual clutter of traditional shelving units. These ingenious shelves appear to magically float on your wall, providing a sleek platform for displaying your favorite books, decorative items, plants, or even essential toiletries in the bathroom, all while adding a touch of minimalist elegance that can transform the ambience of your living space. Number 5. Furinno LUDER 7-Cube Bookshelf. Introducing a bookshelf with a clean-lined 7-cube layout and a closed back. It's designed to be both stylish and functional for any room in your home. This unit offers versatile cube compartments perfect for organizing your books, collectibles, or decor. Keep your space tidy and everything easily accessible. Each cube can support up to 20 pounds, with a total capacity of 140 pounds when evenly distributed. You can trust it for your daily storage needs. Crafted from high-quality composite wood with a stabilizing back panel, this piece is built for long-term durability. It's made with sustainable materials and refined craftsmanship. Measuring 9.4 inches deep, 19.5 inches wide, and 41.7 inches high, it fits perfectly into your living room, bedroom, or home office. What we like? This unit offers a sleek, modern look with its 7-cube design, perfect for organizing books and decor. Its sturdy construction ensures reliable daily use. If you are looking for a versatile storage solution for your living room, bedroom, or home office, this is a great choice. What people say. The back panels slide into notches in the back of the shelves. Many other bookshelves at this price point come with a flimsy back panel that you nail around the edges to attach it, which is just super cheap and bows out if you push against it. There are 3 separate panels and each one slides into the shelves so they look good and stay in place, even though they are thinner panels. This was a really pleasant surprise. Assembly was easy and straightforward. Just make sure you pay attention to which side you want the color on before you start, since the reversible panels can go either way. Once everything was put together, the shelves felt sturdy and looked clean and modern. The cube layout gives plenty of space for games, controllers, collectibles, and whatever else you want to display. Assembly was surprisingly easy. The instructions were clear, all the pieces were labeled, and I had it fully set up in no time without needing any special tools. Everything fit together smoothly and feels sturdy once assembled. Number 4. Sorbus Rustic Wood Floating Shelves. Introducing the Sorbus Floating Shelves, a set of 3 rustic wood shelves designed to elevate your home decor. These shelves offer a stylish and practical storage solution for any room. Free up valuable floor space with these ingenious floating shelves. They maximize storage capacity while taking up 0 square feet, perfect for decluttering any compact area. Add character to your home with these versatile shelves. They complement modern, traditional, rustic, and farmhouse decor, enhancing any wall space with a touch of elegance. Display your cherished items, from books and photos to trophies and kitchen essentials. These shelves provide a functional and attractive way to showcase your favorite possessions. Each shelf is crafted from durable MDF with a PVC finish and includes all necessary mounting hardware for easy installation. They attach firmly to the wall, providing sturdy support for up to 22 pounds. Whether in the living room, kitchen, bedroom, or bathroom, these shelves offer a seamless blend of style and functionality. They are ideal for creating a personalized gallery wall or organizing everyday essentials. What we like? These shelves bring a charming rustic vibe to any room, maximizing storage without taking up floor space. They are easy to install and versatile for various decor styles. If you like a farmhouse aesthetic and need to display decor or small items in compact spaces, these are ideal. What people say. These floating shelves in a gray finish were exactly what I was looking for. Great price and easy installation. They are a great functional complement to my updated bathroom and help me keep things organized. These shelves are not big, which makes them very functional in a small space such as over the toilet. The shelves came with extra screws and anchors, which was a nice surprise and ensured we could mount them correctly. These shelves look nice once installed and do the job well. Easy to mount and great for adding a little extra storage or decor space. These shelves are functional and nice to look at, easy to install, all hardware was included, more usable with smaller items, check size and weight capacity before buying, overall good item. Number 3. BAYKA Floating Shelf Set of 3. Elevate your home with a clean, sleek look. These shelves blend effortlessly with any decor, adding warmth and style without overwhelming your space. Built with enhanced steel brackets, they offer rock-solid support for your everyday items. They can hold up to 22 pounds, keeping everything steady and sag-free. Each shelf is treated with a protective sealant. This prevents warping or damage, ensuring they look great for years to come. Measuring 15.7 inches long, they provide ample space for organizing or showcasing items. Keep your essentials neatly displayed while freeing up valuable floor and counter space. Setup is quick and simple with the included detailed instruction guide and level tool. They are designed to fit various wall types like wood, brick, plaster, or cement. Perfect for your bathroom, bedroom, living room, or kitchen. Use them to display books, store toiletries, or add a decorative touch to any room. What we like. With a clean, minimalist look thanks to the invisible brackets, these shelves blend seamlessly into modern decor. They boast a strong load capacity and are treated to prevent warping. If you want a stylish, durable floating shelf that can hold up to 22 pounds and offers a clean aesthetic, consider these. What people say. Quality and sturdiness. You can tell the quality is top-notch. Once mounted, the sturdiness is impressive, no wobbling or sagging at all. Beautiful color. The color is exactly what I was looking for and matches my rustic decor perfectly. These shelves are nice. It took me about 40 minutes to install 3 shelves. Slide on the shelf, then screw in the tiny black screws that come with the shelving into the supports under each shelf. These will prevent the shelf from sliding forward and off. Your shelving will be very sturdy. Number 2. BAOBAB Workshop Wood Floating Shelves. Introducing our handcrafted floating shelves, made from 100% real solid pine. Each piece showcases natural wood knots for a unique, aged look. Elevate your home decor with these stylish shelves. They are perfect for adding functional rustic charm to your kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, or living room. Installation is a breeze, even for beginners. With included hidden brackets, plugs, and a video guide, you'll have them mounted in no time. Our shelves feature robust, hidden stainless steel brackets with smart 2-component technology. They ensure secure fastening into various wall types like concrete, brick, and drywall. Built with a sturdy solid wood body and a protective wax coating, these shelves are moisture resistant. They are an ideal choice for humid environments like your bathroom. The rich walnut finish adds a touch of elegance to any space. These shelves are designed to complement your existing decor beautifully. What we like. Handcrafted from 100% real solid pine, these shelves offer a beautiful rustic charm and are moisture resistant, making them perfect for bathrooms. The hidden brackets provide a clean look. If you appreciate natural wood grain and need durable, stylish shelves for kitchens or bathrooms, these are a fantastic option. What people say. These shelves absolutely deserve it. These days it feels like so many products are cheaply made, so when I come across something this well done, I have to say something. Solid wood really makes a difference. The grain and finish give the whole room an upgraded, custom feel. The shelves themselves are incredibly well made, solid wood, rich color, the dark walnut is gorgeous, and smooth, flawless finishes. You can tell real craftsmanship went into these. Installation was a breeze. The directions were clear and easy to follow, and everything I needed was included. These shelves are perfect. The color matches my countertop exactly, and the wood is real, not cheap or hollow. They're sturdy, easy to install, and look even better in person. I'm really impressed with the quality. Number 1. VASAGLE 5-tier cloud white corner shelf. Elevate your space with this uniquely designed corner shelf. Its clean lines and white finish add a touch of rustic charm to any room. This clever unit makes the most of your corners, offering ample storage and display space without taking up valuable floor area. Built from high-quality engineered wood, each tier is designed to hold your items securely, supporting up to 13.2 pounds. Setting up your new shelf is quick and easy. With clear instructions and labeled parts, you'll have it assembled in no time. This floating shelf is the perfect way to showcase your style and add a fresh, unique look to your home. What we like. This unique zigzag corner shelf is designed to maximize unused corner space, offering a 5-tier display for plants, books, or decor. Its modern design adds a charming touch to any room. If you're looking to utilize awkward corner spaces and add a stylish display solution, this is the perfect fit. What people say. This corner shelf utilizes vertical space effectively, making it perfect for small or tight areas where floor space is limited. With 5 tiers of shelving, this corner shelf provides ample storage space for books, plants, decorative items, and more. The floating design of this corner shelf creates a modern and minimalist aesthetic that complements any decor style. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.